A 10 weather impact alert will continue tonight through early Thursday morning. We've got more heavy rain, potentially moderate to heavy rain that can lead to more flooding tonight, and also some mountain winds increasing. We have a wind advisory for the mountains. You'll see that in a moment. We have a flood watch for the rest of East Tennessee. So heavy rain could lead to flooding, some higher winds in the mountains. What do you need to do? Continue to drive carefully, avoid floodwaters, stay weather alert. Just know that any more moderate to heavy rain, the ground is now saturated. The rain we've had for the last 2 days, Tuesday and again today, has served to prime the soil, if you will, prime the ground and saturate the ground. So now any more moderate to heavy rain, you just got to know that the ground's saturated, the conditions have been met to have those conditions lead to heavy rain and flooding possible with more rain. So you want to avoid flooded waters, and potential for flooding will be there overnight, and so be mindful of that. Here's the wind advisory until 4 a.m. Thursday for the mountains. Winds could gust up to 50 miles per hour. Even some gusty winds in the valley showing up at 5 a.m. Thursday. This is about the time the rain's going to be ending late tonight and early Thursday morning, but we could see some stronger wind gusts, and a breezy and cooler day does return tomorrow. The good news, we are going to dry out the next couple of days. We'll talk more about that in a moment, but just go ahead and let you know that. Tonight, though, and into our early Thursday morning until 7 a.m. Thursday, flood watch remains in effect because any more heavy rainfall, which could add up to 1 to 2 inches plus, maybe 2 to 3 inches of the southern half of the region toward the mountains and foothills, and in the higher, steeper terrain, runoff is greater and accelerates, and you could have even a higher risk for flooding. So the next couple of days, we do dry out. For Thursday, it's going to be a breezy, cool day, upper 40s, near 50 for Valentine's Day Friday. It looks like a great day with sunshine. Cold start in the 20s with frost, but then warming up into near 50 degrees. Still kind of a cool day, but not as windy. And Friday for Valentine's looks like the best day of the period. We've got another impactful system coming our way late Saturday, more likely Saturday night into Sunday morning. So a 10 weather impact alert for Saturday later in the day, especially Saturday night into early Sunday morning. You'll see more of that on our 7-day forecast coming right up. But that's our 3-day forecast. As far as this next system this weekend, Saturday night, Sunday morning, we've got an elevated to significant risk for flooding across our region. And when you add in the rainfall totals from now through Sunday, the next 5 days, we could be talking about 3 to 4 inches plus. Still a month's worth of rainfall still possible going forward. So that weekend system is going to come in with already saturated soils. And you're talking about runoff and potential for flooding. Yeah, and we could have some thunderstorms and heavier rainfall rates. So that's going to be something that definitely bears watching. That's a familiar scene tonight with the wet pavement. Here's a look at our futurecast. Soaking moderate to heavy rains move back in tonight into early Thursday morning. Now, once we move into the early morning hours, rain will start to taper off. This is early Thursday morning tomorrow. And then we're talking about a drier and breezy day tomorrow as we get into your Thursday. So watch out for heavy rain and flooding possible tonight. Even in the morning, once the rain ends, still could have some lingering flooding. There's your Friday forecast. That looks great, especially relative to what we have seen and what we will see heading our way for the weekend. So here's your forecast tonight. Flood watch remains in effect overnight till early Thursday morning. Mid-40s, showers likely. Heavy rain could lead to flooding. Now, gradual clearing, breezy and cool tomorrow. Not much of a temperature rise in the upper 40s. Sunshine Valentine's Day near 50. Looks great. Late Saturday, more likely Saturday night, breezy and mild 62 into Sunday morning. We're looking at heavy rain, strong storms, and high winds in the mountains likely. So possible flooding, maybe a few stronger storms, and some strong winds. Could have some downed trees and power outages possible. Hopefully not, but that could be an impactful system Saturday night, Sunday morning. Then we're looking at colder weather moving back in next week. And oh, by the way, we have a chance for wintry weather February 19th, next Wednesday.